Hi, this is Ross from TW White & Sons, and today I'm here to show you our 67 plate Toyota CHR. As you can see, exterior colour is this sort of like metallic silver or sort of light grey. Vehicle's got black leather. The vehicle is a one owner vehicle, and it's got full Toyota history. What I'll do is I'll take you around the vehicle just to show you the exterior condition. We'll have a look at the interior condition, and we'll also go through some of the specification. So starting off at the front, you can see down here that you've got the front parking sensors. The vehicle has got alloy wheels, and all four alloys are all in excellent condition, as is the bodywork. There are no dents, no scratches, no scuffs to it. The previous owner really did look after the vehicle. There we are, so there's the near side. You can see at the back here it's got the privacy glass, you've got the shark fin antenna as well. Going around to the back here, you've got the rear parking sensors, and you should be able to see just underneath there, you've got the reversing camera as well. And you can see here the boot size is really good. You've got the 60/40 split on the rear seats, but it's nice, you've got nice width and depth to it. And you have also got a little bit of extra storage underneath there as well. And it's just starting to rain, so I'll try and go through this a little bit quicker on the exterior. But yeah, like I said, I've walked around this vehicle myself and I can't find any sort of marks on it whatsoever. It is all in lovely condition. Show the last alloy. But there we are. So now let's have a little look at the interior. So with this, you've got the handles just at the top here. As mentioned earlier on, it's got the black leather upholstery. You've then got this sort of padded finish in the middle here, and then you've got this brown leather here as well. So really nice sort of colour combination, and that carries through the door as well. But yeah, nice and spacious at the back. Can fit 3 adults across the back nice and easy. Oh, one thing as well, which is quite a nice little touch, is you've got the cup holder in the door, which is nice. I'll just show you that whilst we're here. So you can see there you've got the blind spot monitoring in the wing mirror. And just show you the interior, all really good condition, no marks or tears to any of the upholstery. All really good. Right, so in terms of on the driver's door, this is where you'll find the electric windows. So all of them are electric, and you've got your wing mirror adjustment, electric adjustment for the wing mirrors. The wing mirrors are also auto folding, so when you lock and unlock them, they'll fold in or out. And then you can manually fold them in from there as well, like so, or put it back up and then pop it back to auto. You've got your auto lights, the fuel sort of cap release down there, and you've got the park assist just there. Let me just step in the vehicle. So keys has to be inside the vehicle. It is currently running now because it's in the EV mode, but to power it up you would have your foot on the brake and push the power button, which is just there. In terms of the mileage, so vehicle's currently carried out 32,151 miles, and you can see there that it's in the EV mode. On the right stalk you've got the auto wipers, left stalk auto lights. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, this is where you've got your sort of Bluetooth controls or your voice commands and your volumes for all your sort of audio, which is currently just on the infotainment screen there. Cruise control is just on this little stalk just down here, and then you've got sort of all your controls for the display just here. So obviously you've got your trip monitor there, and then you can also just toggle through the information that is displayed up here as well. So you've got like all your safety settings there that you can play about with. So there you've got your lane departure assist and steering assist, and these are all just controlled through here. Then if we move into the center, so just in here, so you've got this armrest here, opens up, and you can see it's got really good depth. You've got a 12-volt charging point in there as well. You've got a cup holder in the middle. You've also got storage in both front doors, as well as glove box just down there. You've got auto hold, and you've got the modes. So vehicle will automatically sort of drive in EV mode, so it will switch between that and the petrol engine. It will be self-charging, so there's nothing, it's not a plug-in hybrid, so the vehicle will automatically charge itself up from you naturally driving it, so when you sort of decelerate. And then yeah, for the sort of normal driving, the battery will help boost the engine, And also if you're in sort of like stop-start traffic or traveling at lower speeds, that's where the vehicle will drive purely in EV. Obviously it is automatic and nice and easy in terms of selector here. I'll just pop it into reverse so you can see the camera there. So you can see that's a nice clear image. It's always nice as well when you can see the bottom of your bumper, so you can see just how close you are getting to the object behind you. You've then got another cup holder there, a little bit of storage there, which is quite good if you've put maybe like your phone there, and then you can charge it through the USB there, and you've also got the auxiliary. Then moving a little bit higher up, so this is where you've got your climate control. So it's a dual climate control, so as you can see you can have one side hotter than the other if you wanted to do so. You can through here just change how much air comes out, or change where the air is coming out on the vehicle. That's for your heated wing mirrors and rear windscreen, and that'll put the air on your front windscreen. And just a few more sort of controls for it, your AC, circulation of air. Heated seats, so both front seats are heated and it's a 3-stage heating system. And then lastly, if we just move on to the infotainment system, so if we just pop it to here. No, sorry, it's not that one. There we are. So you've got sort of like your home screen here. You've got all the shortcut buttons around it. So you've got your volume up there. You have also got it on the steering wheel. So you've got all the vehicle sort of settings, so you can customize it, set up your Bluetooth controls, the vehicle controls, and then sort of you've got your audio through here, which is just here, and you can change your source. So you've got AM, FM, DAB, auxiliary, Bluetooth. If you plug in the USB device, then you can select that as well. Then we've got the vehicle's built-in navigation system, so you can see that's a nice clear image. Really easy system to sort of get the hang of. You can find sort of areas nearby. You can obviously program your addresses. You can put in your favorite addresses. So yeah, nice and easy system there. And then your Bluetooth as well, so you can connect that for your audio, or if you wanted your hands-free phone calls. So what I'll do is I'll just power the vehicle down, and I will just finish up outside quickly, although it is chucking down with rain, so we'll do it very quickly. But there we have it. So there is our Toyota. Included in the purchase price of the vehicle, you will receive 1-year warranty. The vehicle will have a 101-point inspection carried out before we release it as well. In terms of us, we accept all vehicles in part exchange. We offer finance on all vehicles, or on this vehicle as well. We can also arrange delivery of the vehicle, so if you're not local to us, we can discuss that as well. But if you have any questions about this vehicle, or if you'd like to make an appointment to come and view and test drive it, please do give us a call, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.